Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix missed call notification not showing on iPhone after the iOS 17 update. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, swipe down. Ensure that you turn off the Do Not Disturb mode. Turn off silent mode. Turn off low power mode. Also check the slider is turned on the ringer. After that, try this easy solution to fix that problem solution to enable the call notification sound option. Open Settings. Tap on Notification. Scroll down, find the phone app, tap on it, and make sure to enable the Allow option from here. Turn off the unknown caller. Tap Silence Unknown Callers. Make sure to turn this off. Solution. Now go back. Scroll up. Tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset. Then tap on Reset. Select Reset All Settings, and you will reset all settings. After that, enter your passcode and reset your network settings. Make sure by Reset All Settings, your phone all settings will be reset, so you should remember your password as well. This is how you can solve your iPhone's missed call notification sound not working. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.